Yes, welcome to our live broadcast room. Yes, it is now in Beijing time afternoon, about 16, 17. Yes, yes. Welcome to our broadcast live room. Yes. Okay. First of all, we will also introduce to you our company's information. Our company's name, 中山崇德 Electric Industry Limited Company, and established 2005. And now it is the history about 16 years old. And we are manufacturing and sales factory about instant electric water heater and instant electric water boiler. Yes. If you are interested in our product and our brand cost room, so you can follow us. Yes, you can follow us. If you are watching for our live broadcast so you will check this screen. You can check this is our company's name, 中山崇德 Electric Industry Limited Company. Yes, and next our company name, it has the following case. You can click this following case, and then you can watch the many our company's information and many our installation videos, promotion videos, and product videos. Yes, different water heater, water boiler, and so on. Yes, and if you need in addition, each leaf we also have the different discounts. So and now me and Ivor and next the Henry also give us 1.5 hour live stream. So today we will have the 20% discount for you. Yes, 20% discount for you. If you no matter 1 to 1,000 units, you also can have this discount. Yes, also have this discount. So if you need some simple test, you can get this case, get catalog. Yes, you can check it, this case. Get the catalog. You can also left your email or your phone number. Then our manager sales will contact you and send our catalog and our price list to check. Okay. Today I will introduce our popular product water heater. This model is very popular sales and used in many countries. For example, the Philippines and the Peru and the South Africa. Yes, and many European countries, for example, they also use this water heater for the kitchen room. But in the hot winter country, for example, the Philippines and Thailand, just use this machine for the shower. Yes, for the showering room. Compared to the instant water heater and another gas and storage water heater, you can check our water heater all installed by the electricity. Yes, and if you have the electricity and have the water, you will have the underneath hot water. So you no need worried about the storage. For example, the storage have the 10 liters or the 20 liters. If you use out, it will no hot water. But our machine, if you have the electricity and have the cold water, you don't have the underneath hot water. Yes, and this model also have many protection. For example, some customer ask whether it is safety. Yes, of course. At first, maybe you can check our product need contact air switch or the leakage protection. Yes, and must be careful. It cannot contact the plug directly. Yes, we must contact the L switch or the electricity. Yes, directly. Cannot contact the plug. Yes, and this machine will also have the leakage protection one. For example, once you electricity more than 0.16 ampere, yes, it will have the ELCB function cut off the electric. Yes, and this model, the temperature we set the temperature is 25 degrees to 15.5 degrees. So if the outlet temperature over 15.5, it will very hot. So it will start the over temperature protection. Yes, and this machine, the heating element, we also use the cast aluminum heating element like this. Yes, so if the temperature over 18.5 degrees, it will have the drying protection. Yes, so it has many protection about this machine, so it is very safety. About this machine, you can check the front case. We use the uh, tempered glass, and back cover we use the ABS sister materials. Yes, and the tempered glass you can check. We also include the LED. This LED can display the temperature and the water flow, and it also include the three buttons. This is the on and off button. This is the temperature down, and this is the temperature up. Just the three buttons, so it is very to use. Okay.